The 24-plus organizations of the Twin Hill district of Karbi Anglong on Sunday organized a massive protest in Dipu in display of their strong opposition to the peace accord which was signed on Saturday. The organization stated that the peace accord is unacceptable to the people of the Twin Hill districts of Karbi Anglong and has warned of rigorous movement until the accord is scrapped. Expressing their vehement opposition to the peace accord, the 24-plus organization asserted that the keeping 10 seats of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for open category is not acceptable at any cost to the people of the Twin Hill districts of Karbi Anglong. The organization has demanded immediate scrapping of the agreement, asserting that paragraph 2 and subparagraph of the 6th schedule is already sufficient and that the sole purpose of 6th schedule to the Constitution of India is to protect the tribal people and is not for the general category.
Go back! Go back! Go back! Go back! Go back! Go back! Peace accord down! 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 Peace accord down! 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 Down!
The organization has further questioned Team Karbi Anglong and the 4 representatives of Karbi Anglong as how they utterly fail to put political pressure or have remained ignorant to the contents of the agreement. The organizations, while vehemently condemning the accord, say that the peace agreement is a death knell for the tribal people and say that signatories comprising of the Team Karbi Anglong and the 6 groups would be solely held responsible if Clause 2.3 of the peace accord is implemented. The organization further asserted that they could never accept the peace accord, nor will the people of the Hill districts, and warned that the 24-plus organizations along with the people would now be forced to take up rigorous democratic movement until the contentious clauses scrapped.
Labang so ning ki pung cepat lang nang kok lagi ilitum ning ki oi mekri buring ilitum ka cesong ate ilitum long aron ke to tangkok a hormu ilitum long ajak kong horang to tangkok hormu ilitum anwan pia posil tum delhi da man ke cetonam nang lang ilitum long ke reservation ajak kong ki ilitum long metang ki tutang paragraph 2 subparagraph 7 ke ilitum han ningkan pot prok rengang jang nang ke song mati ilitum hala so ke claim kana mo jakong horang people lan tang cipi pepen lapuson jakong nang thak bi claim turong ke Nasi jasa merpet labang so non labang so peace accord kaca sign labang so ke claim kita nok kela dake litum dengu tek the nilitum deadly Karbi Anglong arat pia tum kela dake kroy tek the lapen dengu tek the lapen litum ke ning samon lapen labang so peace accord kaca tok labang so open seat te labang so kibi pon open tuol kibi halabang kala litum kroy masih kroy kela pela dak bang ke litum pinrem lo lapen ke bang jilang ni te labang so long bang ke anso se litum cesong tulang labang so kaca tok labang so alam don bang chen etik bang ke litum lapu cesong bomji
24-plus organizations convener Roton Terang said that the agreement has been devised to dilute the powers of the 6th schedule and would completely destroy the future of the tribal people of the Hill districts. While KFA President Avinash Ronghang described the day as Black Day for tribal people, asserting that the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India has been framed for the protection of the tribal people and therefore reservation for non-ST is unacceptable to all the people of the Twin Hill districts of Karbi Anglong.
Long mon samalam don kacetok hala so mon samalam don kacetok long 10 reservation polama bang apot nitum ning duglo lapen ke la so puthak apot pinrem bonlo lapen ke la so puthak lake reservation kibi lake inglong so tumhana ja kong ke thak lapen ke kapavir ja bidian vet la sila so puthake pithe 6 schedule area ang bong pusle mela sona reservation ke theglong lepin lang lake first time lo la sila so putang nitum opos lo lapen la so puthak arona teng pen nitum democratic arona teng pen la so puthak an su se tangra ka chesong poni asni nitum chisik pon lo
Delhi arong so pilong accord ka chetok la mon sam accord peace accord ka chetok la so accord ka chetok bangke nitum ta welcome lo sitam la so accord ka chetok bangke nitum 6 schedule rat 6 schedule la khaya tum phan isi arni ki ga son si mande lo athi haladak bang reservation alam bang je reservation ke bang kala lo 10 seats bang ke reservation type son si bang je lo athi reservation punang kok lo athi hadak open for all communities pu dake constitutionally sini tum phan ke reserve na ke pitang lo de dake inglong so tribal tum phan si reserve lasi la so alam don alang labang so points ke tok bono bang ke ni tum song ko rapi bang ke ninduk piglo la pen la so puthak bang ke ni tum song pen stami nitum un anpen as a democratic way nitum kache song hanchi sig ding lo lapen nitum kenang do bute nitum court an stami nitum dami lo so alam do na pathak bangke lapen la so a court along jasemet nitum team Karbi Anglong tum labang so la son la sai lang no ke claim Karbi arat phan keber thip ji la so sai lang no ke claim bangke nitum kitya ta kroi thek the alang tum council chari lo sita hai sita me council ke chari tum jale Karbi gali Anglong so dat kali nitum ta Karbi nitum ta Anglong so nitum right nitum la chini nitum ke puyo dikar do posi lakin nitum kham khelo apen nitum la so bange ning gut chapaklang lo plan.
The 24+ organizations burned tires in front of the BJP office at Deepu in display of the strong opposition to the peace accord, which have not literally set the hill districts on fire, and more protests could be expected in the days to come. News Desk report with Vikram Crow for Karbi Anglong Live.